So in this video, I want to explain it to you. Do you need a VAT registration for you to sell on eBay and Amazon? Or if you want to buy the things from China, do you need to have a VAT number? Or if you are dealing with some kind of drop shipping supplier and they are asking you for the VAT number, do you have to have a VAT number? And if you don't have the VAT number, you want to buy the things from China, or you want to deal with some kind of drop shipping supplier who is asking for a VAT number, what you can do in that case? When do you legally need to register for the VAT number? So I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about the VAT in this particular video. So let's get started. If you're watching this channel from a long time, you are familiar with Osome. Osome is an accounting and bookkeeping service specially designed for e-commerce sellers. They can help you with the little as company formation. They can help you when it comes to accounting, bookkeeping, VAT submissions, all that kind of stuff as well. They have a software which can link with your eBay account, Amazon account, your bank account, and you will see all your expenses, all your sales, all your profit, all at one place as well. They have an offer going on at this point where they can help you with the business registration, and you will also get 2 months of free accounting, which is enough time for you to decide which package you want to go for depending on how much your sale is going to be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the link for them inside the description. You can start with a free consultation call. They can help you with the business registration, and you will also get 2 months of free accounting as well. No strings attached. Thank you so much to Osome for sponsoring this video. So let me show you what our HMRC requirements are when it comes to VAT registration. I'm going to explain all the kind of stuff as well, because a lot of people, they are confused. They will say, well, I'm not a VAT registered and eBay is charging me VAT and Amazon is charging me VAT, or customer is asking me for the VAT invoice, or I need to buy something from China. So I will explain all that kind of stuff as well. So when you need to actually register for the VAT, and you have to really pay close attention to the terminology that is used on a website, HMRC official website, and I'm gonna break it down into very simple words for you as well. So if your sales, if your turnover, we are not talking about profit, if your turnover within 12-month period of time will go over 85,000, that's when you need to register for the VAT. And this is not the profit, this is turnover, and this is only applied to the people who are selling in UK and they are based in UK as well. So that's why the threshold is there for them. If their 12-month sale is under 85,000, they don't need to get the VAT registration. They don't need to get the VAT number legally. They can voluntarily register for the VAT, but obviously I don't recommend it because it's just going to increase the paperwork. So legally, within 12-month period of time, any 12-month period of time, if you are in UK and you are selling in the UK market, you do not need to get the VAT registration number until you hit that particular threshold. For somebody who is outside the UK and they are selling to the customers who are in UK, they need to get the VAT registration number from the first day. The 85,000 threshold does not apply to them. So I hope that will really clear each and everything. Now the question is, once we are paying a fee to eBay, or once we are paying the fee to Amazon, if you see the invoice that they will send it to you, they are actually charging you VAT. And the reason for that is they are actually charging you VAT as a retailer and you are consumer in this particular example. Just like you buy something from Asda, just like you buy something from Tesco's, if you see the receipt, you have paid VAT, and Asda or eBay or Amazon, because you are buying the products or using their services, they are VAT registered. So they are charging you VAT, but that doesn't mean you have to have a VAT number. You will get charged VAT without having to have a VAT number. You don't need to have a VAT number for that. Now the question comes is, a lot of people say, well, I need to buy something from China, and obviously I need to pay import VAT, and do I need to get the VAT registration? The import VAT will be as a consumer. You are using HMRC custom services, and those kind of stuff where they are, dealing with the goods when they are coming from overseas. So they are charging import VAT. You don't need to have a VAT number in order to get the things from China. You will pay import VAT, but that doesn't mean you have to have a VAT to pay that VAT. Again, I give an example. You buy the goods from Mazda or local shop, you pay VAT, but that doesn't mean they ask you if you have a VAT number or you don't have a VAT number as well. So if you are somebody who is looking to sell on eBay and Amazon, or you are already selling on eBay and Amazon, my recommendation is wait until you meet the threshold, which is 85,000. Again, that is within 12-month period of time. So it is not like your 85,000 limit has to meet within 2022 or 2023. It doesn't depend on year to year. Within any 12-month period of time, if your sales will go over 85,000, this is once you need to get the VAT number. If some supplier will ask you for the VAT, or if the customer on eBay and Amazon will message you asking for the VAT invoice, you can simply tell them you are not VAT registered business. You are not going to charge them VAT. So that's why, because you're not charging them any VAT, you can simply provide them with the receipt, which is not going to be a VAT receipt. So you just need to let them know that you are not a VAT registered business. Okay, now some of the business, they do really well, probably let's say a particular period of time, but their consistent sale is not over 85,000 always. In this case, what HMRC does, you will have to write it to them, and they will consider that this was probably just for the short period of time you had a great turnover, and that is not going to be something which you will do on a consistent basis. So they will consider the exemption in that case as well. So a lot of people say, Zain, I understand I don't need to be VAT registered seller because I do not meet that threshold. Am I losing money when I'm paying import VAT, or am I losing money when I'm paying VAT to my supplier because they are charging VAT once I buy the stock from them? I can't really claim it back. What can I do in that particular case? So all the VAT that you pay, let's say in the terms of import VAT, or you are paying VAT to your supplier, that will come down as a business expense. This because you are buying something for your business. So your accountant will be able to help you and put it down as a business expense, which will reduce your tax bill at the end of the day. So in this case, if you are under 85,000 threshold, you will be able to, it's not like the other way where you will be able to claim back that VAT, but you will be able to put down as a business expense, which will overall give you some relief on how much tax you're gonna pay at the end of the day. Overall, this is the threshold that everybody need to meet before they actually registered for the VAT. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing, because 50% of people who watch my channel, they are not subscribed to my channel, and this is going to be massive help. If you have any question, feel free to ask me inside the comments. I reply to every single comment so far. So feel free to ask me any question. No question is big and small. Make sure you hit that like button. I have a complete video where I explain step by step how much tax you're gonna pay as a eBay or Amazon seller, and what are the tax limits, and how much the money that you will be able to earn without having to pay tax. Check this video right here, and this is going to be very helpful.